there was a situation where this man just came randomly and stood next to me and started, talking to me and saying, I'm beautiful, this and that. And I told him, look, I'm married, I'm happily married, and I'm happy to talk to you as a friend, but that's all where it's going to go. And he said, doesn't matter if you're married, there's nothing wrong with having fun.
She got a hold on me, and I just want to hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just want to hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just want to hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Welcome guys, welcome to Jamaica.
You know the vibes.
Welcome to the island family.
Yesterday.
And today guys, we're just gonna have a chat.
Just random stuff.
Random chat.
Yeah.
About my time here in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
With little island,
man.
everything's a little bit different with a baby these days.
Yeah,
but,
man.
We're still here and still going strong. And so the main aim of the conversation today is my time here in Jamaica.
Yeah, your experience.
My experience in Jamaica so far. This is a really big topic and I probably could be here forever talking about it. But we'll just, keep it basic in a sense.
Yeah, man.
So, my time here in Jamaica in regards to?
Like your whole experience with just being on the street in Jamaica, even being with your husband. Or what's the experience you get from your side? I think people would be very interested to know.
So my experience on the streets in Jamaica when I'm with my husband and without my husband, it's a bit intimidating, meaning it can be quite annoying at times, having a random men come up to you and saying hey baby and hey sweetheart and just things like that. It kind of turns you off a little bit because where I'm from you don't get that. People are really self-absorbed and self in themselves, and I mean if a man is interested in a woman, he'd do it in a way that it's not so forward in your face kind of thing. So here in Jamaica, my time with men,
I want you to start it off with the females first. Talk about going to supermarkets and stuff like that, or going to a shop, and talk about that for a second.
All right, so I'm going to talk about first and foremost how I get treated around here in Jamaica on the streets, in supermarkets and things like that. So the females, when they're serving me, I get some are nice, some ladies are really nice, and some are really rude, and they can be very you can see it, their body language. They might not say anything to me, but I can sense a vibe, and not a good vibe.
Yeah, you probably have to wonder, is it that they're just having a bad day, or is it just personal? Yeah,
I'm just thinking, exactly what you're saying, babe. I think to myself, is it a personal thing, or is it they're just having a bad day?
Yeah.
But I might go to the shop or a same shop for 2 or 3 days, and that same person is working there and they still give me that bad vibe. Then I start to think maybe it's personal.
Yeah.
Maybe because I'm married to a Jamaican, they feel a type of way. Please guys, comment down below. I don't know. Can it be? I don't know. What's the go? Has any other women experienced that kind of treatment before? I know that there's a shop down the street where we live, and the lady there, she's lovely. At first she was a bit funny because of the COVID and everything, and being precaution, making sure that the mask is on and all this sort of stuff.
True.
But now that I've been going to her a fair bit, there's a hello and how are you, whereas at the beginning it was more it was very cold.
Yeah, and now she's more open for it.
Yeah, now she's more open, example, the other day I was $10 short, and she said just pay me when you come back.
Yeah.
If it had been a first meet and greet, that wouldn't happen.
True.
You know. Then there is, you know, me and Babe in a whole in general, and I'm sure a lot of other interracial couples, and you know, would also get, you know, questioned, not questioned but looked at.
Yeah, we get crazy stare. I don't know if people would say that's normal or what, but yeah, it's just like, it makes you feel a type of way sometimes, like, you know, why do we get so much stare? Is it, you know, like, I know sometimes we have camera on us, and yeah, we can understand that, you know, because people don't normally see that every day. They probably think that, oh, these people are famous or something. But other than that, like, we still wonder, like, why do we get so much stare? You know? It's just crazy, man.
I mean, we're living in the 21st century, like, you know, where everything's modernized. You know, people, you know, are driving fancy cars. People are dressing up in fashioned clothes. You know, branded stuff. You know, everything that you can possibly think of, people have it. Yeah. You know, I just don't understand that sometimes the stares, like I said, can be very intimidating. Yeah, man. They can be. It comes off as a personal thing. Yeah. You know, I honestly, I don't know what else to say in that regard. Like, just the stares are sometimes quite inflicting. Yeah. It could be like, you know how they say you don't have to say anything with the mouth, but just by looking with the eye can actually, yeah, you can actually see.
Actions speak louder than word, as what we Jamaicans would say, you know, and it's true. So
you can see, you know, what's happening now with the men.
Yeah, talk about the streets in Jamaica with the men.
With the men, it's quite. I get grossed out, guys.
And I want you to tell them the stories that you tell me, like, when they approach you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I get really grossed out. Now, I'm a friendly person. I don't come off, I hope I don't come off as a flirtatious person or any of that, but I will say hi if you say hello. That's cool, you know. Yeah. But when it starts to become a hey baby, or, you know, wagwan baby, or sugar, or pumpkin, or whatever, that's when it becomes too much. You know, there's a line that you crossed. Now, straight up, if someone says to me, you know, wagwan baby, you know, what you doing, you want to, you know, come with me or whatever, straight thing I say, I've had it multiple times. I've had guys come up to me and be like, hey babe, you know, I really like you, you're so pretty, this and that, you should come with me. I'm like, hang on a second, I'm married, you know, I'm happily taken. I usually always say I'm happily married. And, you know, the comeback with that is,
I'm sorry guys, my eyes are getting sore from the sun, it's very bright.
The comeback with this is, so what if you're married? What's the word? Nothing wrong with you being married. Yeah. Hang on a second.
They still don't take no for an answer.
They won't take no, and that sometimes I'll stand there. Like yesterday, as I was in town by myself, actually waiting on a friend to deal with the car rental and this and that for me to drive them into Kingston. And there was a situation where this man just came randomly and stood next to me and started, you know, talking to me and saying, you know, I'm beautiful, this and that. And I told him, look, I'm married, I'm happily married, and I you know, I'm happy to talk to you as a friend, but that's all where it's going to go. And he said, doesn't matter if you're married, there's nothing wrong with having fun. That's what he said to me. Yeah. Now, I didn't get married to play games, you know, guys, and I'm telling you now, it turned me off. It really did. Like, I felt disgusted. Like, honestly, I was telling Babe. Yeah. I told Babe when I got home, I was like, you know. And
you said that he asked if you have a friend after.
Yeah, after all that, he asked me if I had a friend that would be interested, and I said to him, all my friends are taken, all my friends are married. Yeah. You know, like, you know, I don't play those games.
I think it's like a normal thing when they realize that they can't get you. It's like they'll be like, oh, you don't have a friend for me or something. You know, that's how they always react. That's what I see.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, they do. And, you know, it's just, you know, once you say no, it's like they keep pursuing the fact.
Yeah.
They don't care if, you know, they don't care you're married. They don't care if you're taken. They don't care any of that. They just want a good time.
Yeah.
I don't understand, guys. Please help me out.
For real, man.
It's crazy.
It's one hell of a thing. Just, you know, being with babes, like, it's just a real high hope in how people really react to us being an interracial couple in Jamaica. Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be like when, you know, I'm in Australia and all of that. I don't know what it's gonna be like, if it's the same thing or what.
No, we'll still get stared at, guys. I know that for a fact, that we would get stared at, but it won't be a personal stare. You know what I mean? It won't be like up in your face, like, whoa, what are you doing with him? Or like, you know what I mean? It would be more like, oh, that's nice. It's different. We see couples. Look, I'm not saying that, you know, there's bad in everywhere.
True. There's
bad in every country. Even if we go to Argentina, we're probably going to get stared at. Probably very personal, you know, like, oh, why should, you know, it is what it is, okay, and people have to get used to it.
Yeah,
you know, so I say to all those interracial couples out there that have just newly started dating or whatever, you know, don't worry what people say. Just keep doing you.
And be strong, because people gonna try to persuade you. Trust me.
Yeah.
And that can be a next story to even talk about, because people have crazy stories.
Yeah, crazy stories. Like, I don't know if we should even talk about it now.
No, I think we're running out of minutes right now.
Alright, guys. So it was great talking to you and telling you a little bit about my story.
And if you guys want to hear more of these videos, want more of these kind of videos, sit down and chat about stuff, yeah, just let us know. Yeah, man, because we're happy to share, you know? Yeah, man, because we have a whole heap of stories and just experience overall.
Definitely. Alright, guys, so you guys take care now.
Yeah, man.
And we'll definitely be back.
Yeah, man, for sure.
More content. Yeah,
man. So
alright.
Oh, this is bright. Jesus,
it's a blessing, guys.
Sorry, guys, my eyes are bugging me, so
thank you guys too. Thank you for the new subscribers.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Comment down below if you want to see more of these. Like the video, all of that sort of good stuff.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Alright,
blessings. The sun is not too bright. Is there anything can just go over?
No. Then you have your handkerchief. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Jamaica. Welcome back to the channel.
Yes, today.
This is the Island family.
You know the vibes.
I am.
Let's start over the intro. We don't need you to stop it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is bright. Jesus.
It's a blessing, guys.
Sorry, guys, my eyes are bugging me, so
thank you guys too. Thank you for the new subscribers.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Comment down below if you want to see more of these. Like the video, all of that sort of good stuff.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Alright, bless.
Blessings.